Visualize a future where each home is an island of self-reliance, making traditional energy grids obsolete. In this vision, every household is a vibrant ecosystem of sustainability, liberating families by producing their own power, harvesting water, and growing food at their doorsteps. As urban populations increase, cities face mounting challenges. Traditional infrastructure struggles under the growing demands for energy and resources, leading to frequent power outages, water shortages, and exacerbated urban heat. The dependence on non-renewable energy sources further contributes to pollution and heightens the risks of climate changes. Off-grid homes offer more than energy efficiency. They signify a proactive urban lifestyle. Incorporating renewable energy sources such as solar and wind, along with rainwater harvesting and waste recycling, these homes transform daily activities into opportunities for sustainability. This not only conserves natural resources, but also provides urban dwellers with the means to lead autonomous, resilient lives. The adoption of such self-sustaining models is crucial for developing communities that not only survive but thrive under environmental pressures. Understanding the technologies that facilitate this sustainable lifestyle is key. Innovations in solar panels, wind turbines, and especially advances in battery storage technology are critical, ensuring continuous power even when natural conditions are unfavorable. Beyond energy, these homes treasure every drop of water. Greywater recycling systems reuse water from domestic activities to irrigate productive gardens where residents cultivate their own food. This significantly cuts dependence on supermarkets and reduces the carbon emissions associated with food transport. These sustainable homes also mitigate the load on municipal systems, decreasing the overall energy and water consumption in urban areas. This alleviation of pressure on infrastructure helps reduce the urban heat island effect, where cities become significantly warmer than their rural counterparts. In exploring the world of self-sustaining homes, we envision a profound transformation in urban living. These homes do not just meet the challenges of modern life, they redefine our relationship with the environment. Homes that generate their own energy and gardens that supply fresh produce represent a sustainable lifestyle that is not just a dream, it's an achievable reality today. Join us in this movement towards self-reliance. Together we can build a resilient, thriving future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now and help us transform the world, one home at a time.